Yeah, this was a long week, man. Long week. What else should I do?
Alright? No funny gizmos.
Free for all!
Stupid. Not playing. I love you, man.
UAV ready to deploy.
Come on, come out wherever you are.
Just fucking
Huh?
Copy that. UAV is
Not
on
you.
Bro, you sound like Mia Khalifa. Is it Mia Khalifa?
I sound like her? Thank you.
Yeah,
not.
that
Hardline
ass.
online.
I wish I
Fuck.
was.
Like, how old are you?
24.
God damn, you old.
I'm old?
UAV is being refueled.
Hell yeah, I'm
RTB
30.
at this time. UAV ready for
I'm
tasking.
24 and you're calling me
Oh
old?
shit. Yeah, I'm 30. I'm young as fuck.
I'm 24, you're older than me.
I'm just fucking with you. I'm 18.
You're young as fuck. Fuck you.
Oui. You don't know what the fuck going on, man. Pussy ass boy, get your ass down. Freeze, put your hands up. Your hands up and your pants down. Come on. Motherfucker. Is this all you do all day? Just play games?
Are you talking to me?
Nah, I'm talking to him. Yes, I'm talking to him. Is this all you do? Play games?
No.
Windbreak's online. UAV standing by.
Do you at least work?
I work.
¿Dónde trabajas? Idiot! Where you work, nigga? Goddamn!
Why do you need to know?
Well, I really don't need to know. I'm just asking. It's a simple question. Dead ass. I don't fuck with you. I don't even give a fuck. I'm trying to win this goddamn game so I can distract you because you're kind of winning right now.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, asshole. You know what? I'm coming up right now. Fuck you. Come on. Come on. Fucker. You ain't gonna win by my... God damn! 14 to fucking 5? God damn! Sucker punch me and call me Lula. God damn. Freeze, bitch. Freeze, you goddamn fucker. Oh, you racist son of a gun. So how many dogs are in a cat?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? It's a simple. It's like it's math.
Taking the lead.
Didn't you go to college or something?
Nope.
Yeah. You dropped out?
Yep.
Are you Mexican? Hey, motherfucker. Are you a Mexican at least?
No.
White?
Nope. Yes,
Black?
I'm white. No, I'm white.
Oh. Yeah, sounds about right. Just kidding. Don't take it racist. Take it right. Don't sue me now.
I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.
That's fucked up. I gotta help my Theo. Like, he barely like fucking crossed the border and shit. And you're gonna sue me?
Mm-hmm.
I will. I do.
Calling my lawyer right after this game.
Fucking call him. Like tomorrow morning, you're gonna be working for me in Alaska. You don't know who you don't know who says that, do you?
No.
Fucking Scarface, dude. Hey, motherfucker, come back. Did I just kill you? No, that's not you. That's not you. You never watched Scarface ever in your life.
When I was a kid.
You just call me a kid?
I said when I was a kid.
Oh, when you were a kid? Yeah, listen. What are you doing? You're cleaned up? What? Babe. Fucking asshole. ¿Qué haces, cabrona? Chingado. Babe, this girl's finna fucking sue me. Fuck it. Yeah, she gonna sue me.
No, I'm not. He was being mean, so I was just trying to put him in his place.
Damn, she said she was gonna she was just kidding, she was just putting me in my place. This girl can really think she can put me in my place, boy. Get the fuck out of here.
That's your lady's job. She should be put in his place.
Oh shit, bro. She hit me with so many haymakers, bro. It's fucking crazy. She beats my ass, bro. Can you believe that? Thank you. I bet you beat the fuck out of me? Yeah. No, el pinche vecino. Huh? What'd you say? Yes, you. Who the fuck else? Oh, wow. What the fuck you gonna do with me? Hey. Chill your fucking balls. Chill your fucking balls, nigga. Chill your fucking balls. Oh my god, like, why you on my dick? Why you on my dick?
We're getting hit hard.
You know what? Fuck, man, I'm tired of this bullshit. You know what? I'm gonna go fucking all out. Cause you know why? You know who I am? Damn. You know who I am? Why you camping? Get your ass out of that corner. She gonna sue me. Fuck you. A huevo. Mami huevo. She's still in that goddamn corner. Like, what the fuck?
Are you talking to me? I'm not fucking camping.
Nah. You're camping. Why you in the corner? Get your ass out the corner.
I've been fucking walking around the whole time, dude. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Find me like a real man.
Sure.
Ooh, he's using the shotgun. Ooh, so scared. Ooh, shiver me motherfucking timbers. Where you at? God damn it. We only got 1 minute left. I'm trying to get back. Well, you know I hit that motherfucker like 30 times.
1 minute remaining.
Come on, guys. Come out. Let's go in the middle. You scared? Yeah, see your ass over there. Yeah, that's what you got.
Hostile UAV in the
Oh,
area.
I just killed you. What the fuck? Stupid. Finally killed you. After the 100th time you killed me. I forgot. You're shooting at each other. Don't shoot me.
30 seconds remain.
Y'all gonna shoot me? Actually shoot me, that thing. Come on now. You can do better than that.
10 seconds remaining.
Bonitos balazos. Tan 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 tan. Música romántica. O automática, la verga.
Mission is complete. Good
Close.
work.
A la verga. That was close. We tied. Gang gang food.
Nice kitty.
Gang gang food.
Dude. That guy was so fucking annoying.